Hey guys, today it's me, Lily, and I just come home from school and I haven't snapped my candy joy, and I'm gonna take and tastes like two types of chocolate mixed up. It's mixed up chocolate. So how you get the mix up chocolate? Like delete it. Subscribe to my channel. What do you eat for a snack? Subscribe to my channel. I give a big thumbs up. Comment down below.